Hello, I'd like to invite you to an open house to this unique duplex located in Westgate. It is single title property with 3 individual suites. You get a basement suite, main floor, and then one half is the unit on its own. You can live in, rent the other half, or it's a great revenue property. It does have a redevelopment potential. RC2 lot can be subdivided. But what's very unique about this is the location. Next to several schools, walking distance to C-train, and the property like this does not come up very often in this neighborhood. It is very well maintained, lots of upgrades, cabinet, shingles, windows, furnaces. It's all there. It's turnkey. You can just take over. Very low vacancy because of the location, the schools, and the transportation. So I hope to hear from you. Check our website for a schedule for open houses, or call me directly for more info, and we'll be happy to book your private tour.